Trying to watch some TV, bro.
Bet.
Napoleon, Alexander the Great, Donald Trump. We're all cut from the same cloth, and that cloth is very, very large. It's not too big, is it? No.
Why do New Yorkers have such big mouths?
Go big or go home.
Because they eat big pizza like a big New Yorker from Pizza Hut. We're talking 40% bigger. Soft, fresh dough with all your favorite toppings. Now from just $9.95.
You gotta be losing money on this.
131166. Pizza Hut.
A test. Attention all citizens, the following is an urgent public safety announcement. Authorities are issuing a nationwide warning regarding a highly dangerous individual. The suspect, known as Jack Harlow, has been linked to a string of inexplicable and gruesome killings. He is described as approximately 5'11", with an unnervingly attractive appearance, which he is believed to use to disarm potential victims. Disturbingly, the suspect is often seen wearing a white bucket resembling KFC branding on his head and a pair of matching KFC-themed sunglasses. This individual is considered armed, extremely dangerous, and possibly of supernatural origin. He is known to strike unpredictably and may target individuals in isolated or dimly lit areas. If you encounter anyone matching this description, do not approach or engage. Instead, immediately seek shelter in a secure location, lock all doors and windows, and call 911. Stay indoors and remain vigilant until further notice. Updates will follow as more information becomes available. Concludes this emergency broadcast.
Let's play a game. This game is called Hardin. I am finding somewhere in your house. Whoever the last one to find me is, dies. And if any of you don't comply, you will all die.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. Guys, everybody get over here right now! Jack Harlow just hacked the TV, and he says that we have to play Hardines, which is where he's hiding somewhere, and the last one to find him dies. But if any of us don't play, we're all gonna die. We gotta do this. Okay, so how do we even know when to find him? Well, he might kill us all. Whoa, what's that?
I'm ready. Come and find me.
Oh no. We gotta find him. Guys, we can't risk it.
Dude, what if he just kills us?
We have well, he's gonna kill us all if we don't go.
Well, we have a better chance to get
Go!
Go!
There you go.
Not under here.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, no! Go, 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 go! Just see him, guys. He could be up. Check the chair.
Whoa! He's in here! He's in here!
I've got some business to attend to.
That doesn't sound good. No, what's he doing?
I just asked what we're doing. I don't know.
Shut up!
Shoot.
Congratulations, you all made it to the next round.
What do we do now?
Go sit by the TV and wait for further instructions.
Why? Okay. Alright.
Shut up.
Alright, the next game is Hide and Go Harlow. This is a very simple game. You all have 30 seconds to hide. The first 2 people I find die.
I think our 30
I think
seconds
we gotta
already
start now.
started.
Let's go.
Time's up. All remaining contestants, please report to the TV area immediately.
Are you the only one left? What? Where are the rest?
I don't know.
I killed them.
Oh!
Now please await further instructions.
What do we do now? We should run. Dude, yeah, that's true. One of us are gonna die anyway. Might as well try for it. Here we go.
Good thing we got out of that. I didn't want to die.
Jack, you thought
How?
you could escape
Jack.
me?
We can defeat Jack with the power of friendship. Ah!
Whoa, where'd Jack go? What the?